Hey, my loves, my delicious Jack squad. Well, y'all are delicious, and tonight we are with my friend Red, who's making her nasty, delicious half-pounder colossal burgers, and we're just chatting, having a little sister night. So I said, let me record you and share your delicious burger experience with everybody. So, guys, stay tuned. We'll be back.
Sizzle.
Oh, look at that sizzle. And you didn't even add no oil.
No, I don't need to.
What's the percentage of fat to your,
It has the fat already in it.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, and then I take my fist, just pound it a little more to stretch it out more.
Why do you do that? Let the people know.
So what I'm doing is I'm stretching out my meat a little more, flattening it, we can say.
So it won't bubble in the middle?
Right. So it won't. There you go. Now just to flatten it out. There we go. See?
Wow. You didn't even put no oil in there because you don't need it.
For those of you who want a real burger, come down to Red's place. You'll enjoy it, trust and believe.
And Red is coming out with her own YouTube channel soon, guys. I've been trying to get her to do a YouTube channel like forever. Oh my God. Guys, if I tell you the way it smells over here, and it's simple. You know, one thing about Red, I will tell you, is when she cooks, she uses minimal ingredients to create. It's all in her wrist, you know.
To create magic.
And she uses the minimum amount of ingredients to create such delightful flavors. It smells delicious. And look at all that fat already, so I can see why.
You don't need the oil, making its own juice. Because if you cover it, then it's adding steam to the burger.
Okay.
And that's not what we're looking for. At least that's not what I'm looking for.
And how much do you cook it for? Do you cook it like medium rare?
I prefer my burger medium, but there are those that like it more, a little more well done, so to speak. So I'll say medium well.
All right, so I'll try it your way.
Okay.
You know, look at all this fat already. As you can see, wow, that's a lot of fat. So, are you going to eventually drain that fat, or?
Well, that's only if I'm making like a, chili or something like that, or if I was using this to make like a spaghetti sauce, then I would definitely drain it. But because I want a juicy, fat burger, no, I'm not draining anything.
And let's say you wanted to add some mushrooms to this. You would, of course, saute it in the same fat.
Right, and then, that would make it so good. Oh my God.
Okay. I think she's going to get some mushrooms, I assume. Are you really? Oh my God, she's really going to get mushrooms. And I just said that. I don't even know if she has the mushrooms, then it's going down. Oh my God. That's right, she do have mushrooms. My throat is killing me. Oh God, your mushrooms, mind you. Like if you ever buy them in a bundle, what kind of mushrooms are these?
These are white mushrooms.
White mushrooms. So you could freeze your mushrooms, guys, in a Ziploc bag. It's a perfect way for you to preserve them.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't know I forgot she had mushrooms, and I guess she's gonna take some and
saute them. Well, I'll do that when the burger's almost done.
Right.
It doesn't take that long to cook mushrooms.
And it doesn't take long, even if it's out of the freezer.
Right.
It won't take long, regardless. And look at all the fat, guys. I could see why she didn't you don't really need to add, because it's like probably 80-20, 20% fat, 80% meat.
Yeah. And then I think my spatula, but I think my fist does a little bit better.
So why don't you use your fist so people can see?
Didn't they see me using my fist the first time?
So guys, as you can see, Red, she's using her fist. Her hands are clean.
Yes.
But she's using her fist. So some people are probably going to be like, well, why you just don't use a spatula?
But the spatula doesn't do it as good as my fist does.
God gave you those hands.
Right.
Wow. And that just tenderizes and
it just gives it that, you know, flattens it a little bit so it doesn't take as long to cook.
wow.
And it just gives it, you know, more of a flatness, and so the burger's not as thick.
Right, and she used her knuckles.
Right.
I'm scared of her. Save this fat or
No, I don't save it. I mean,
some people do.
Some people do, but you know, you gotta turn the burger. Look at the color.
Oh wow! And
Look
you
at
turn it
that.
with such ease because you turned it with such confidence.
Yeah, I'm confident. Then I won't get smacked in the face with oil.
So that it won't break when you turn it.
Right, there we go. Look at that. I'm gonna drain some of this oil. However, I'm gonna do
Right.
because it's getting a little too oily, and now I still have to cook the other side. So, but look at that. Well, this one needs a little help, but we know what we want. I know what I'm looking for.
Wow.
Okay.
These are colossal. Wait, I think that's a half a pounder. That cannot be a quarter pounder. I think that's a half a pounder.
Yeah, you might be right. It's a half a pounder. I was afraid to say it on there, but you know.
No, don't be
It
afraid.
is what it is. When I saw the fire coming out the oil, it's the first thing I do. Douse with water like an idiot. That shit did an inferno. Poof. I
Oh
was
my
like,
god.
You know.
Wow.
It did a freaking inferno in here.
I definitely had to come over this weekend to see you because I haven't seen you in a minute.
Right, yes, we haven't seen each other in a minute. So, I'm so glad to see you.
Yeah, I had to come over here.
I'm honored that you're here.
Yeah, it's been a minute. I haven't seen you in oh my god.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
Soften them.
But you know,
I'm
it's
not
a good
cooking
thing.
them. I'm just softening them.
Just so you can slice it up and
Right. But this is a great way to preserve your.
well, that's
your
a very
mushrooms.
good So that's a very good way, guys, to preserve your mushrooms. The freezer is your best friend.
Yeah.
My mouth is salivating right now.
Is it really?
Yes.
Do me a favor. Give me three American cheeses.
Okay.
Oh, no, keep it there. I just don't like the stem on them. I've heard people eat them, but I'd rather not. Okay, so I'm rinsing that, popping it off. Go, popping it off. It's always the last one that's a little more of a headache than the rest of them. You know, from
Just a patty.
yeah, coming from the freezer, it's still a little wet. So, but this is the best way to preserve them to me. And everybody might be a little bit different, but there you go. I'm just gonna cut them, slice them in like this. Nothing spectacular, just slice them down. Okay. Slice that one. And you can slice it however you choose to. You know, I mean, just because I'm slicing it this way doesn't mean you have to. I mean, hell, you can put them in there whole if you want, but I just prefer to slice mine. Okay. And, oh, I forgot. We got one more, guys.
Ooh.
Okay. Removed of stem, because I don't like this stem. Okay. Slice this one. Very easy, very simple. And now we're going to pour these babies into the pan. Yes.
What?
There they go.
Oh my god.
You go right in,
Oh
honey, right?
my god.
Should put more in here. Oh, yes. We're just going to let that do its thing, folks. I'm using a knife. You don't have to do this at home.
Before I used to OD, I would have done mushroom, a sunny side up egg.
I love that. I love that.
Or an over easy egg. Girl, let me tell you something. I would do my burgers in a way like I didn't care. I just did not care.
I mean, we can go hit the top and put some roast beef on top of this bad boy.
Are you
and some
serious?
Yeah, we can just do it.
Did you hear that? Like now she talk about putting some roast beef on it. That's a lot going on. But we're not your dietitians. We're not your dietitians, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God. And my loves, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can be notified all the time of all new recipes, new videos, and so forth. And don't forget to press that like button so we can push this algorithm Okay, get this video out there and let everybody know Jackie's cooking. So you're putting your
I'm gonna already add this cheese to it. 2. And then one more. The other burger doesn't have to have cheese. The last burger, that is. And here we go. Okay, so now that we have the cheese on there, we're just gonna let it cook a little more.
You can use any cheese you want.
Any cheese you want.
Provolone,
I prefer provolone,
Gouda.
but I love Gouda.
A smoked Gouda. Smoked Gouda.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah, let's see. Yes, I do. Smoked Gouda.
Wow. The juicy burgers,
Right.
not to overcook
I
it.
don't like overcooking nothing, no. I think so. Okay. And we don't want the grease popping on us, so we make sure this is nice and dry. Let's turn this over.
Oh, wow. Look at those beautiful sauteed mushrooms. Oh, my God.
Sauteed is the way. This, now you see what I mean with the extra little oil?
Yes.
I had to drain some, but this is going to give our mushrooms flavor.
This is for a nasty, greasy burger.
Right, there you go. Okay, folks, I'm going to turn this off. This one I got to show some love to. I'll move it over here.
Wow.
Okay, all right, we're going to turn it off. Very simple. Be careful, though. Make sure that the knife is away from you. When you're cutting, you always cut it away from you. Okay. Now we're going to add this. 1, 2. Well, I'm trying to make it as even as possible. Okay. The end. Then we're going to put the. You want yours toasted?
No, why not?
Huh?
Why not?
Okay. Good thing I did it, right? Quick reflex. Guys, it wasn't even a minute. Mayonnaise? Because to me, mayonnaise makes it better. Makes it all better.
Wow.
It would be tonight. Okay. Nicely. Can't let that fall. Just gonna drizzle some of that beautiful mushroom with that oil onto the burger. What you think?
That looks nice.
Look at that, folks. Look how nice. Oh, look how nice that is. I'm gonna drizzle. And now I'm going to cut it. This is a meal of the day. Look at that. That nice tomato together. Voila.
I mean that in a good way. So, my loves, I hope you enjoyed this cute little moment with me and Miss R.E.D. This girl could throw down, and I really enjoyed this time we had cooking her Collosal burgers, okay? Because she does them, honey, and especially when she does it on the grill, it's, oh my God. My loves, please feel free to leave your comments, and I need you to do 3 things for me. I need you to eat, love, and pray. Until next time.